In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make projects in Pipedrive step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a project, set clear timelines, and keep it organized so your team can move smoothly from planning to completion. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Make sure you have the right permissions to use projects. If you're part of a team, confirm that projects is enabled in your workspace so you see the projects area in your menu. Next, head to the projects section and choose the option to add a new project. Think of projects as your workspace for work that extends beyond a single deal, things like implementations, onboarding, or campaigns. Deals capture the sales process, while projects help you plan and deliver the work after the deal, with tasks, timelines, and progress tracking all in one place. Give your project a clear, descriptive title. A good naming convention helps later when you're searching or reporting. For example, include the client name and the goal, like website redesign, Q2 launch. Avoid vague names so anyone on your team immediately knows what it is. Set a start date to anchor the timeline. This helps you plan tasks, assign owners, and create a realistic schedule. If you're working across time zones, align on a standard to avoid confusion with deadlines. Now, set an end date. This target date keeps the project focused and makes progress measurable. It also enables better forecasting and helps you communicate expectations to stakeholders. Linking deals is optional. If this project originates from a closed-won deal, attaching it creates a clean handoff from sales to delivery and keeps your revenue context connected to the work. If the project isn't tied to a sale, feel free to skip this. You can also add a contact person. This is useful for assigning a primary stakeholder or client point of contact so communication is centralized. Later, you can add more participants if needed. Set the label to To-Do. Labels are a quick way to categorize or flag the project's immediate next action. To-Do is great for items that are planned but not yet started, helping your board stay organized at a glance. Then, set the status to In Progress when you're actively working on it. Status indicates the current phase of the project on your board and drives momentum. You can update it later to On Hold or Completed as things evolve. Finally, click Save. You've successfully created a project in Pipedrive. From here, you can break it down into tasks, assign owners, and keep everything moving toward your deadline. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.